Why, hello. So 360 this week. Yep, 360 licks. It's quite a lot, I think. So this one is a continuous lick. So starting on shape 2 of the pentatonics, and then kind of running back down into the natural minor through like a minor 7 arpeggio, not minor arpeggio 7, and then sliding into shape 1, ending with kind of a standard cliche lick. So that's quite nice. So you're continuously playing right up until that last moment. So we're using 6 tuplets over a beat which is at about 70 beats per minute, a track which is at 70 beats per minute, and the track you can find on the Patreon page, and the tab you can find on my website, which is dansguitar.com. And if you do like this video, please do consider liking, sharing, subscribing, hitting that bell button. That lot out the way, let's get on with the lick. Yes, there we go. So that was the lick. There is a small version of the jamming track at the end of the video, as usual, and the full track is on Patreon, as I've already said, linked up. Might be up with cards, I'm not sure, but down below as well. And the tab is on my website. But that is it, really. So just please do consider liking, sharing, subscribing, hitting that bell button, and I'll leave you with a breakdown coming up. Please download the tab from my website. It will help. There you go. Nice. Over to me again. Okay, breakdown's fairly straightforward. So we're starting with the hammer-on from 12 to 15 on that D string, going to the 14 on the 3rd string, and then it's going to the 15 on the 2nd string. So, and then you come back to the 13 on that same string, 14 on the 3rd. So, and that's the next section, which is 13, 15 2nd string, 13 on the 1st string, 15 on that 1st string, and then back to the 13, sliding that down to 12. This is all in shape 2, coming into the natural minor at this point, or a minor 7 arpeggio, which is the 12 on that 1st string, 13 2nd, 14 on the 3rd, 12 on the 3rd, 10 on the 3rd, a lot of them on the 3rd, and then you've got 12, 10 on the 4th string, a 10th fret on the 3rd string, and then the cliche lick, which is basically the 12 full-tone bend, 15, 12, no, again, 10, there it is, 10 on the 2nd string, 10 on the 1st string, and then 13th fret full-tone bend with the all-important vibrato. And that is it. So I'll try and play it slow for you now. Here it goes. 3 and 4 and 1. And again, so that's it. Back to me. There we go. It's me again. Hello. So yes, like, share, subscribe, bell button. That would be absolutely marvellous. And I shall see you all next week for week 361. I'm not sure what we'll do yet, but we'll work that out as and when we get to it. So I shall see you next week, whatever happens. See you later. Bye bye.